एवरीवन सारा खेल पलट जाएगा एक दिन के अंदर।
बेस्ट ऑफ लक गाइस,
बेस्ट ऑफ लक,
गुड लक।
नेक्स्ट व्लॉग आएगा जिम का। अंशु भैया देखेंगे तुमको।
Everyone, people wants to say something. Please, guys, go ahead.
So basically, here in campus, once the night light kicks in, it's like very beautiful. And once it crosses the 3 AM mark, so you'll see fog everywhere. So the weather and the view is just like fabulous. So keep that also as your motivation to come here.
Try to turn in more videos of the campuses you are looking for. So it would work as a motivation, also motivation for you guys.
Even I did that.
So it really works. Even it will work even till the interview process gets over. So it will motivate you. So that's the best thing you do.
You guys must be preparing very hard. Like you guys must be burning night oils, practicing mocks and all. It's completely worth it, guys. Just
now,
be here.
Now
Make
only
sure
1 month, so
you be
focus
here.
on your health. That is more. Health should be your first priority than anything else. Because if you are healthy, then you can give the paper best.
Also, there are no shortcuts for success.
So even when you come here, you even now you have to work hard. But make sure that you get in first. So all the best. But CAT is more difficult than yet. Anshu is a very good. He is especially making these videos to motivate you. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, and follow his videos with your
And let
friends,
me
with your
introduce
families.
everyone. He is Sontej,
Hello guys.
Ayush Rana,
Myself, Rahmat Hussaini.
yeah,
I am Chandan Kumar guys.
Chandan Kumar, and here is our favorite. सारे ब्लॉग में आते रहता है
नीले भाई।
भाव गा रहा है नीले भाई।
Guys, it's a very good place to be in. Work hard for CAT for 1 month.
Yeah,
And be here next year.
Exactly.
All the best.
all the best.
We are waiting for you guys. All the best. You will be a juniors. It's fine. All the best.
To all the candidates. मिलते हैं, मेहनत करो,
Yeah,
आ जाओगे लोकेशन। All the efforts are
And
worth
also
it once you are here.
exactly. Every effort is totally worth it to be in the top 4. I am saying.
Don't give up, guys. See, this is the one chance you've got. It's a make it or break it. Give your best and do well, guys.
So guys, Chandan wants to say something.
And 100% placement होती है यहाँ पे, not placement. At
Exactly.
सिर्फ 100% हमने face किया है.
Yes.
The task is little bit tedious, but 100% होती है. And task is
Everything is worth it to be here. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. We walk every day in the night. We sleep at 4 AM in the morning.
yes.
So just
Work harder right now. You will enjoy later in the stage when you will be in IMK.
okay. And
And the campus is very beautiful, no doubt.
Very, very beautiful.
It is the one of the most beautiful campus of the India.
Yes.
I can guarantee.
That's it for today's vlog. I hope ये vlog थोड़ा motivate किया होगा आप सबको. And CAT aspirants, go for it. Go hustle, win the race, win the battle, and come here. Bye. So here comes the most awaited part of the video, the free gift that I'm providing to all the CAT aspirants, and you guys must be waiting for it. So here comes the video. So I'm providing 2 gifts. The first one is the biggest CAT free mock done by the Unacademy on 7th of November. So you can get it free using my code. So the code is Anshu21. So if you use my code, then you will get it free, and make sure that you use with a number which is unregistered and with an email ID which is unregistered with the Unacademy stuff. The second thing that I will be doing is that since you guys will be using my code, so it's my responsibility to know what kind of score you guys are getting. So what you can do is, since I'm providing all the social media handle in the description, so you can just go there and send it a screenshot to me in Instagram or Quora or whatever social media that you use, and definitely I will help you guys personally. I will talk to you, I will chat with you, and we'll see that how we can increase the marks that you guys must be getting. So yeah, you will get to know a detailed personal mentorship kind of stuff from my side. To get this free CAT mock, you have to use a number which is unregistered, email which is unregistered with Unacademy, and then you can use my code and you will get it free. And then why I'm suggesting everyone to attend this, so since it's done by Unacademy, so it's one of the great series that they have come up with, a CAT free mock series, and this will be given up by many more people, many more aspirants, so you can benchmark yourself over others. You will get to know that yes, where you stand, and since it's a free, then you should definitely give it. So the timing is I guess 12:30 to 2:30 on 7th of November. So please give it on 7th November on this particular time, so that you will get to know about All India rank, and like you will also get to know the section wise and topic wise analysis. You will got to know the video solution to all the mocks that you will be giving up. So there are various 5-6 mocks in that particular stuff, but the only mock that is being left where you can get All India rank is on 7th of November. But you can attempt all other mocks and you will get the analysis, you will get the video solution for all other mocks. So this is the gift from my side to everyone, to all the CAT aspirants. And also one more thing, that you can send the screenshot, then you can send the marks that you have got, and then we can figure out together that how can it be increased in the last 30 days. One last query to all the people who are watching this: what kind of motivation you guys are waiting for? If you need any kind of help, please do comment in the comment section, and I would love to motivate or anything that can help in your preparation in the last 20-30 days. Okay, all the best. Use Anshu21 to unlock that free CAT mock, and yeah, waiting for your screenshots. Hoping to have a good response from you side, from everyone, and I hope your motivation काम है. So also one more thing, that this was a really random motivation video. Like we all were in a party, we were having fun with our friends, and it was Chandan's birthday, and somehow we just thought to have a shoot in the road, and I hope that their motivation might have helped you some way, and we'll come up with many more if you guys will insist us. So if you comment on the comment section, then definitely we'll come up with something great and something very planned, how we can make it more interacting. So that's it from my side, and thank you so much for having a very good response in my last birthday vlog. I'm huge grateful to everyone who have commented, and looking forward to have many more. Please share, like, follow, subscribe, everything, and feel free to text on my social media handles, send me the screenshots, and definitely I will help you in some way or the other. So looking forward, give your best. Last time hai, 30 days hai, laga do jaan, and this is a great opportunity to see yourself where you stand. So all the best and rock it, keep shining. Bye. So here is how you can log in. The link is on the description, and you have to log in with your number, which is unregistered, then your name, email ID, and then you will get an OTP. Put the OTP, and then there will be a page where you can put the invite code that I provided, Anshu21. So this you can unlock the free CAT mocks, and try to give it on 7th of November. The timing is on the screen, 12:30 to 2:30, so that you can get an All India rank, and there are various other mocks as well. So you can also attempt that, but you won't be getting any rank. But yes, you will be getting all the video solutions, section wise and topic wise analysis. All the best. Report Canada.